Hello everyone, welcome to Vyas Edification. In this session we are going to discuss all NCERT and exercise question solutions related to chapter number 6 work, energy and power and class 11. Clear? So in this session you will find detailed solution of each and every question, and also you will find here concept behind that question. Clear? So actually we will try to understand theory behind that question. Clear? So definitely you will enjoy this session, so concentrate on the screen. We are going to start. Dear student, we are going to solve question number 6.1, and in this question it is given to you the sign of work done by a force on a body is important to understand. Okay, fine. State carefully if the following quantities are positive or negative. Clear? It means our objective here in this question is to find that in which case we will find work done is positive or work done is negative. Clear? So now concentrate on a screen. Now listen carefully. In the case number 1, or we can say case number A, it is given to you work done by a man in lifting a bucket out of a well by means of a rope tied to a bucket. Clear? So let us try to understand. Let's suppose here we have a well. Let's suppose this is a well, and let's suppose here we have a bucket like this. Clear? Let's suppose if I draw like this. Let's suppose here we have a bucket. Clear? And let's suppose this is a well. Clear? Now let's suppose here we have a person, and a person is actually pulling this bucket. Clear? So if here we have a person. Clear? This person is pulling this bucket. Clear? So in this question it is given to you work done by a man in lifting a bucket out of a well. Clear? Now we can say actually force this is exerted by a man in the vertical upward direction. Clear? And definitely we can say displacement of this bucket we also have in a vertical upward direction. Clear? It means we can say here direction of a force and direction of displacement of a bucket is same. Clear? And we know work done, this is given by dot product of force and displacement. Clear? So from here we can say this is F as cos of 0. Clear? So we can directly say here we will find positive work. Clear everyone? So in the case number A, I can say work done by a man in lifting a bucket out of a well. We can say this is having positive work. Clear everyone? Clear? Now we are going to discuss part number B. In part number B, it is given work done by gravitational force in the above case. Clear? So